Itong taong to, 26 years ago, nagnakaw ng 24 million, nagpanggap ng namatay para hindi siya makulong, tumakas sa Amerika, at ngayon bumalik dito, at bigla nilang himala, gustong tumulong.
You were just helping.
You are just helping who?
It's a
Goodness.
very
Helping who,
sensitive
Madam Chair?
case,
Helping
Senator
who?
De La Rosa.
This is too much lie, Madam.
Helping who?
I am not lying, Your Honor.
O si you
Promise
helping who?
helping.
Sino? Sino tinutulungan mo?
You know why you're lying? You keep on telling us baloney information. You said you were top because you're friends with Mayor Kalugay. Now you don't need Mayor Kalugay to talk to her because apparently you've been talking to her before you went to Indonesia.
Speaking
Only
of
on the
Indonesia, just a minute, could we ask the BI to confirm si Miss Maslog ba, or using the name of Francisco, pumunta ba siyang Indonesia at that time?
We will verify your.
Please po, and if possible, Commissioner, during this hearing, Senator Sherwin?
Madam Chair, just to remind the body, itong taong to, 26 years ago, nagnakaw ng 24 million, nagpanggap ng namatay para hindi siya makulong, tumakas sa Amerika, at ngayon bumalik dito, at bigla nilang himala, gustong tumulong. Dapat maalala natin na kung buhay pa ito, nakakulong na ho ngayon, 26 years ago.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na?
Pro tempore.
Ha? Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na? Para matakasan mo yung kaso? Ganun ba? Yun na sigurong solusyon. Nagpanggap na patay ka na. Sagot. Come on. You answer.
Miss Maslog.
That case still pending, sir, in Sandigan Bayan, sir.
While you are considering or reconsidering your answers to us, so Attorney David, based din sa sinabi ni Miss Maslog, alam nyo at that time na Guo Huaping was out of the country already kasi nag-uusap kayo or nagsusubo kayo ni Miss Maslog, kumbinsihin siyang surrender. Please come to the mic, Attorney.
No, Madam Chair, hindi po. Nalaman ko lang ho nung nahuli yung dalawa.
Nung nahuli sina Cassandra Leong at Sheila Guo.
Yes po.
So before that was when Miss Maslog was supposedly together with you convincing Guo Huaping to surrender.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Madam Chair. Because she was coordinating with me and I was also coordinating with her for the surrender. Kasi si Alice wanted to surrender even during those days pa. Pero takot nga because of the threat. So fortunately, they came to me. So yun, there was a negotiation for the surrender. Until I learned that, yun na nga, sabi niya ni Madam Jessica, na nasa, ibang bansa, hindi ko maalala kung saan. But, na-intercept na yung dalawa. So I called her. Is it true na-intercept? Yun, kaya sabi ko, kung talagang nalaman ko for the first time, nasa abroad sila.
Madam Chair, if I may lang,
Senator
just on that, attorney, sorry.
Please.
Why were you trusting her? Why were you talking to her?
Well, as mentioned by her, she was with top brass of the PNP. How can I not trust her?
Top brass?
Did you know her before? Did you know her before?
No, no, Your Honor. I met her during the... They came to me.
Nung nagka-problema na?
They came to me and they wanted to negotiate with the surrender of Alice, Mayor Alice.
So, according to the question of Senator Villanueva, did you trust her? Naniniwala ka kagad?
I trusted her because she was with top PNP brass.
Yung sinasabi niya si General Makaspak?
Yes.
Makapas?
Yes, sir.
Makapas.
Yes, Your Honor.
So she's with him, with General Macapas, when he talked talk to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wow.
So, Miss Jessica, can you complete the story? Paano mo nakausap si Guo Huaping dun na sa Indonesia?
Actually, it's on the second, yung nahuli na po si Miss Alice. And,
So, paano nangyari?
I really would like to request for an executive session.
Madam,
No.
executive sessions are for matters of national security. you're in this deep already sa pag-narrate nyo sa amin, you might as well huwag nyong paiksian yung PC ng mga miyembro ko sa komiteng ito, buuin nyo na yung kwento nyo. Dahil kayo naman po nagsimulang magsabi that on the second trip, you were able to talk to Guo Huaping.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kompletuhin nyo na kasi pag,
Okay, Your Honor.
pag napitin, mas nakakagalit.
Okay, Your Honor. On the first time po na nandoon kami, no, we were not able to see Miss Alice Guo. So hindi po siya nag-surrender. There was no communication. Of
Anong
Alice.
petsa yon?
I cannot remember. po,
Was
Your-
that August also? Was that July?
That was few days, I think few days prior to, ano po, yung, I cannot remember, Your Honor. I can
Few
check
days
on-
prior to what?
no, after pala po, the first time, if I remember right, was, nung nahuli pala yung magkapatid po.
Sina Sheila Guo at
Yes.
Cassandra Leong.
Yes po.
And
That was
then,
the first, no. The second was a week after po.
a week after.
Nung nahuli na po si Alice.
But before siya nahuli or after siya nahuli?
That was that day na nahuli po siya.
Okay, so paano nangyari?
I got a call po. I got a text from Indonesia po na
Who
mahuli
texted you from Indonesia?
yung ano po, yung sa tawag nito, yung
Ano?
in charge po, yung nakahuli po kay ano.
What?
kay-
Sino?
An Indonesian law enforcement officer texted you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Really? Are you kidding?
Sa bayang bigkasan
Alam
na
mo,
tayo,
alam mo.
SP Pro Tempore.
Alam mo, Merian, mas sinungaling ka pa rito kay Alice Go eh.
Sir, I can show you the text message.
Okay, show it to us.
Show us the
I
text.
don't have the phone, sir.
So how did you have direct communications with not just Filipino, with an Indonesian law
Because,
enforcement
because
officer?
we were there the first time nga po eh.
And how did you establish that contact with the Indonesian law enforcement
I was
authorities?
with IG po when I went there to get, nandoon po yung mga pulis din po ng Indonesia.
So IG, you're claiming that PNP IG introduced you and Indonesian police to each other?
It wasn't an introduction po. Magkasama lang po kami during the time.
But magkasama kayo
Kami nagkakilala po.
and you exchange numbers.
Yes po.
So you had that communication line. Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I was a former chief of staff of IG. I became the deputy director for operations of intelligence group, IG. I became a deputy director for administration of intelligence group. How come in the world na nahuli na si Alice Go doon? Kaya kailangan ka pa dalhin ni Makapas doon sa Indonesia para kumbinsihin si Alice Go? I don't see any logic. Wala ako nakikitang intelligence value sa presensya mo, sa papel mo doon. Bakit ang IG gagamitin ka? Huli na siya eh. Huli na siya. Bakit ka kasama sa IG? Wala akong nakitang intelligence value sa'yo. Siguro ang intelligence value sa'yo kung magamit ka for any other reasons na pwede kang gamitin.